problema ng usaping arigyohan.
Tagay.
Ang natatanda kong sinabi nung kasamahan ko is 50 parehas nung sa case 1. Huwag naman daw ganun kalaki kasi kung ganun daw kalaki,
Di ka rin buwad?
bayad na lang sila ng judge.
Buwad.
Kasalukuyang nasa ilalim ng preliminary investigation ang nakasampang obstruction of justice complaint
Buwad rin
laban kina Cruz at ilang pamilya ng missing sa Bumeros na pinili na umano makipag-areglo. Nananatiling bukas ang PUC sa panig ng iba pang sangkot sa issue. Para sa agenda, Josh Malimban, Binondo News Channel.
Marvel fans assemble. Inilabas na finally ang unang trailer ng inaabangang Avengers Doomsday. The clip teases the arrival of Robert Downey Jr.'s Dr. Doom na isa sa most formidable villains ng MCU. Nagbabalik din sina Chris Hemsworth as Thor and Chris Evans as Steve Rogers, maging ang Fantastic Four at Thunderbolts. Highlight din ang pag-crossover ng X-Men characters sa Avengers universe tulad din ng Patrick Stewart, Ian McKellen, and Channing Tatum. The film comes 7 years after Endgame, which became one of the highest-grossing movies of all time. Doomsday will hit cinemas on December 18. At may isa pang aabangan ang Marvel fans. Kinonfirm ni Ryan Reynolds that another Deadpool film is in the works. In an interview sa Fanatics Fest, sinabi niya na meron pa kasing few deep cuts from the comics na hindi pa daw na-adapt on screen. 2024 nang nirelease ang last film na Deadpool and Wolverine, which became the top-grossing R-rated movie of all time. Una nang sinabi ni Reynolds that a fourth installment would feel redundant and posibleng maging supporting character na lang daw moving forward ang kanyang chaotic anti-hero. From a new Deadpool film to another Bourne movie. Kinumpirma rin ni Matt Damon na may plano na for a 6th installment sa beloved action franchise. The actor told ESPN they're already trying to nail the story down. They want it now to feel like the first 3 films. 2016 pa nang lumabas ang huling pelikula na Jason Bourne. And just this weekend, nirelease ang latest blockbuster ni Matt Damon na The Odyssey, which has become Christopher Nolan's biggest debut since The Dark Knight Rises in 2012. Mark Wahlberg shocks fans with his latest IG post. The Hollywood star shared a new video of this early morning gym session, pero imbis na yung intense workout ang kanyang wild hair transformation, ang napansin ng mga netizens. His head kasi is seen partially shaved, with hair still around the sides. Tanong ng ilang social media users, did Wahlberg lose a bet? But the actor says this is actually a throwback sa kanyang 2025 film, The Flight Risk, in which he sported such hairstyles.
Buwan, guys.
Iglesia ni Cristo rally sa araw ng SONA. Kasado na. At